I'm going to show you how I got this all matte makeup look with graphic liner. First I'm going to prime my eyelids. And I'm using Tarte Shape Tape. And then I'm gonna set with the RCMA powder. I'm using the e.l.f. blush. Yeah, it's a blush brush, but. Okay, and then I'm using the Makeup by Mario Master Mattes, and I'm going in with this shade here. And I'm using Jaclyn Hill JH32. I'm going into this shade here. This is just to kind of carve out a area so it makes me look like I have bigger eyes. It's their fluffy brush. I don't know if they even make it anymore. So I'm going to go in with these two colors. You see that? Okay, and then just to deepen up the crease a little bit, I'm going in with just the brown color. This color here. Okay, and then I'm going to make a soft cut crease. It's not going to be very big, but going in with a flat brush and then adding a little bit more concealer. The BH Cosmetics flat brush, and I'm going in with MAC. It's their Semi-Sweet ×9 eyeshadow. I'm going with this color. Okay, and then I'm going to tightline my waterline. And then I'm going to line my lashes with black eyeshadow. And then I'm going to outline where I want to put the graphic liner too. And this is a really good trick if you're a beginner, because if you mess up, it's easy to wipe away eyeshadow than liner. Using the L'Oreal Flash Cat Eye. Yes. And here's a trick how to fix winged eyeliner. Like, I made a bump there, so I'm gonna fix that with concealer. So I have a flat angled brush. This is a Morphe brush, and then concealer. And then I rest my hand like on my other hand, so I'm stable. So just like lightly pull your eye if you need to. Voila. Okay, I'm using the Cali Ray primer. I'm using these lashes I got off Amazon. They're like 10 bucks for like 14 of them. New Cali lashes. They're really glam. Lashes make such a difference. I'm using the Best Skin Ever Sephora foundation. And I'm going in using the Y6 brush from Morphe. And then I'm just going to go in with a beauty blender. So we're going to use the Butter Biscuit bronzing or cream bronzer by Fenty Beauty. And I'm going in with the Vanity Makeup Cosmetics brush. It's really good for applying contour. I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Conceal. And then to set the under eyes, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me in light. This is the Morphe spray. Peach Face by Fenty. And I'm going to use the Physicians Formula color, bronzer, it's just the color bronzer. It's the original shade. And then I'm going into NARS Orgasm. This is like a sample one. I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills and Taupe. brush that goes with it, 7B. Then the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel. This is the Bodyography Black Walnut. Again, I'm going with this shade. I'm gonna go in with this shade. And then I'm gonna go in with the red. And we're gonna go in with Becca Cosmetics Opal highlighter.